touch the floor, contract, and exit. Are we ready, guys? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Push, come on, side to side, suck it under, push through, move through, contract the core, go, exhale, come on, breathe. You'll feel it in those quads too, feels good, come on, go, come on, go, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep going, come on guys, keep moving, good job, keep pushing, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, dig through, come on Chris, come on. Dig through, come on, you got it, you got it, you got it. There you go, keep it strong, looking mighty good, mighty good. Stay strong, you got a little bit of time left, you gotta focus, come on, come on. You're more than halfway there, it's burning. If it's burning, you can't take it, all you gotta do is put your knees down, but Chris is strong. Keep going for it, can you stay with him? Can you be with him? You see this work? I want you to be the same exact way, come on. Get strong and go. Good job, Chris. Come on, 5 seconds. Come on, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Good job. Now, woo, here we go. Set up this next exercise for you at home. Okay? We're doing balance holds here. Okay? I'm gonna keep your arms shoulder width apart. Okay? And what you're doing, the same arm, same leg lift off the floor. Okay, so check it out. You do boom, come back center, alternate, boom, come back center, breathe. It's a rough one, it's a hard one, but we're gonna do it, right? Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Get that, go, go, go. Come on, come on, come on, Anthony, let's push, come on. Let's check, make sure you're doing it right. Dig through, very good, very good, very good. Keep breathing, look. Back is straight, hips are down, abs are tight, pushing through. Head is in neutral spine. There you go, there you go. Keep it moving. Keep moving. How you doing, Ant? Come on, keep going, keep going. How you feeling? Feel good? Now breathe. Don't stop breathing. You love the pain? Good, good, good. Like that. Come on, keep going, come on. Stay strong. Come on, guys. You're more than halfway there. Come on, Ariel. There you go. You're more than halfway there. Come on, push. I got my hands right here. Act like I got my hands on your obliques. You're working. It's all about balance and it's all about core. Drop the hips a little bit. There you go. Push. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Dig through, dig through, dig through. Stay strong. Come on, guys. You got 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Come on. Go. Come on. Go. Push. Push. Ah, dig it up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo. All right. How are we feeling? Okay. Here we go. We got another move. This one is a little more insane, okay? So take your time and breathe. We're doing alternating knee to elbow obliques. Check it out. You want to bring it up from the inside. Boom. Even if you twist a little to the side, it's okay. Boom. Come back to center. Boom. It's all about working that oblique. We got that? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on. Get it in. There you go. Get it in. Find your balance. As long as your hips are not dipped, that's good, okay? Working that oblique and pull it in. Working that oblique, pull it in, rest when you need to. Stay pushing, stay moving. All right, all right. All right, Johnny, let's see how you doing here. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Keep moving, come on. Keep going, looking good. Staying strong. Dig through, don't move so far on the side. Ah, there you go. The elbow. Stay strong. Breathe every time you go. Looking good, brother. Come on, push, push. Stay there. Good. Focus and go. Come on. Excellent. Come on, you got 20 seconds left. 20 seconds. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 20 seconds. Dig through. Ah. Come on, go. Come on, y'all. Push, push, push. Push, push. Get in there. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Shake it out. Good job. Guess what? We got another 15 seconds. We're doing another 15-second rotation, okay? So focus. Here we go. 15. Get down there. Here we go. 3.